We are going to see IoT based water quality management. So in this project, the main applications are, we can use this project for mainly water plant and as well as for domestic purpose. So when it comes to its hardware part, so we have a controller here named Node MCU, and we have an integrated sensor here. So the main parameters which we are going to monitor here are the pH value of the water, level of the water, and temperature and purity of the water. So this is what the sensor. And when it comes to Node MCU, it is an integrated controller. It has a Wi-Fi module integrated in it. Then when it comes to its working part, so the sensor senses all these four parameters, all these four values, and it sends that values to the controller. The controller will be continuously uploading this value to our client website. This is the cloud page. Here we can see all the four parameters. So you can see something scrolling over there. That is, the first one is pH value, and that is what pH. Next is W. W stands for its purity level. L stands for level of the water, and T stands for the temperature of water. So this is all about the working of this project. Thank you very much for watching.